Yo, 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 guys, what is going on? Matt On here from the Matt On Talk Show. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Get more Matt On Talk Show content. Make sure those notifications are turned on every time we post a brand new live, a brand new short, and a brand new video, long form style, that is. Anyway, folks, today our topic today with our sound effects. Yep, that's right. You see me sitting there before you, not even talking, just probably most likely smirking or something. Maybe not even paying attention. Who knows? But we got the sound effects today, so I'm off in full force. Who knows? Maybe I could be AI and you're actually hearing what's going on in my brain without my voice even moving. My mouth is not even moving. That's right. No voice coming out of my mouth. Anyway, so today our topic is equal employment opportunity. Yep. You see that phrase EEO often in many of our applications out there, um, job opportunities, HR people talking about equal employment opportunities. Yep. What a bunch of crock. Yep. What a bunch of crock that phrase of equal employment opportunity is. Because it's not equal. You have a society right now, and this is just my point of view for some of you out there, the crybabies, that is. If you are white, you don't deserve a promotion, your employment rights, your rights as an employee don't matter if you are a white individual. But anybody else of any other race, authenticity, or culture, we bow down to you because they love that diversity thing at many of these employment places that employ. And everybody knows that's here. Even if you are part of any one of those specific areas, you know that is true. I just have enough courage to come on here and talk about it, while also being entertaining and playing these lovely sound effects. Why don't you hear for yourself the great sound effects? So yeah, that is just a crock, that phrase. We all know there's special privileges. Everybody loves that diversity line. That's another thing, the special diversity thing. Other people could be working at a place for numerous amount of years or have seniority over other individuals and still not get that opportunity. Why? Ding ding sound. That's right. We're talking the diversity. Oh yeah. Gotta love that. Everyone's favorite, and there's no way around it. And shame on you, companies that employ and that bow down to that lie known as all of them that hide behind that diversity thing so they could check boxes so it looks good for your statistics. Shame on you. Anyone who has a seniority, no matter what race they are, deserve that promotion, that raise, whatever it is. They shouldn't have to wait in line behind other people just because of their culture or their background as an individual. Do not. If I feel you deserve that and you're a hard worker, you're damn right you deserve that raise and promotion. hands down. I don't care what culture or race that you come from. If I feel it, me as a white person, and let me add a little something here. I might identify more as a white individual, but I have a Mexican heritage in my family, primarily on my mother's side. And I might not embrace that a lot, but you know what? I think it's damn time I start embracing that more with this culture and how everything is playing out. But you know what? YouTube don't care about your opinion. In fact, they don't even care about my opinion. But what they do care about is making money. That's right. YouTube is a corporation that loves to make money. So no matter how much I came on here and ranted about them and told the truth about them and how they shadow banned me in the year of 2022/2023, which they did, by the way. But you know what? It didn't matter to them. They profited big off my videos and still continue to do so. Why, they're pulling in nearly probably $800 a month thanks to my videos. I end up with only $100. So that means they pull in $700 off the $800 I generate for them in a month. And that's not the accurate point on statistic. It's actually a little bit higher than that, by the way, for anybody listening. But that's just a rough idea to let everyone understand that despite having a small core of audience, I still generate a decent amount of money for YouTube. So no matter how many of you complain about this video, YouTube don't care. Because I make YouTube money. But that ends the video. Try to keep it short and sweet with the sound effects. So, diversity and equal employment opportunity is a crock. And everybody knows it. Over and out. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Follow us on our Facebook page. Go to rumble.com. Follow us on Rumble. And continue following us on YouTube right here. Folks, Manon, over and out. Catch you guys later.